Hello everybody. Today's topic is depression of freezing point. In this video, we solve some numericals in this topic. Now the first problem is when 3.3 gram urea mixed with 250 gram of water, then the solution shows 0.413 Kelvin freezing point depression. Calculate the molecular weight of urea. Given Kf is equal to 1.86 Kelvin kg per mole. Now, if we draw a picture, then we can see that W1 is equal to 250 gram, W2 is equal to 3.3 gram urea, M2 is equal to question mark del Tf is equal to 0.413 Kelvin and Kf is equal to 1.86 Kelvin kg mole inverse. Now the equation is M2 is equal to Kf into 1000 W2 by W1 into del Tf. Kf, putting the values of Kf is 1.86 into 1000 into values of W2 is 3.33. Now values of W1 250 and del Tf value is 0.413. By calculating it, we get values of M2 is 60. So the molecular weight of urea is 60. This is the first numericals in this topic. Now the second problem is freezing point of benzene is 5.4 degree centigrade and latent heat of fusion is 30.5 calorie per gram. Then calculate the values of Kf of the solvent. Solvent means benzene. We know Kf is equal to capital R into Tf square by 1000 Lf, where R is equal to universal gas constant, its values is 1.987 calorie mole inverse Kelvin inverse. Tf is freezing point of solvent in Kelvin scale. So its values is 5.4 plus 273 Kelvin. So the values is 278.4 Kelvin and Lf is given 30.5 calorie per gram. Putting this value, we obtained 1.987 into 278.4 whole square by 1000 into 30.5. By calculation, we get Kf is 5.05 Kelvin kg mole inverse. Is the answer second question. So values of Kf for benzene is 5.05 Kelvin kg per mole. Now my third problem is an aqua solution contain 5% urea and 10% glucose. Calculate the freezing point of the solution. given Kf is equal to 1.86 Kelvin kg per mole. If we draw a picture, then in a solution W1 is equal to, and here two mass is added in this solution. One is 5 gram urea. If we take this value is W2 and this M2 is 60. On the other side, 10 gram glucose. It is taken as W3, is molecular weight is 180 M3. Now, what will be the weight of values of W1? W1 is 100 minus 10 plus 5, because 10 gram glucose and 5 gram urea present in this solution and total weight is 100, so W1 is equal to 85 gram. Now del Tf is equal to Kf into M for urea plus Kf into M for glucose is equal to, if we take in common of Kf, then M to M of urea plus M of glucose. K values is 1.86. M of urea means 5 gram urea, 5 into 1000 by 85 into 60 plus molality of glucose is 10 gram glucose, 10 into 1000 by 85 into 180. By calculating it, we get del Tf is equal to 3.039. So the freezing point of solution is 273 minus 3.039 Kelvin. That means 269.961 Kelvin is the answer of the solution. My fourth problem is when 50 centimeter cube of ethylene glycol mixed with 50 gram of water, then freezing point of solution shows minus 34 degrees centigrade. Calculate the density of ethylene glycol. Now, the formula of ethylene glycol is CH2OH. Its molecular weight is 62. Now, if we draw a picture, then we get weight of solvent W1 is equal to 50 gram. W2 is not given in the question. In question we obtain volume. If we multiplied volume into density of the ethylene glycol, then we get the W2, that means weight of ethylene glycol. So let density of ethylene glycol is small d. So from this equation we get W2 समान 50 into D gram. W2 is 50 into D and M2 is 62. Now freezing point of solution, that means T dash F is equal to minus 34 degrees centigrade. So delta TF means TF minus T dash F. TF, that is freezing point of water, 0 minus of minus 34 degrees centigrade. That means plus 34 degrees centigrade. Now the equation is delta TF is equal to KF into 1000 W2 by W1 into M2. Putting the values of all terms, that means we get 34 is equal to 1.86 into 1000 into W2 means 50 into D by 50 into 62. By calculating, we get values of D is equal to, by calculating, we get the values of D is equal to 1.133 gram per centimeter cube. It is the density of ethylene glycol.